Hello guys, I'm Architect Jojo and we're here again in our site project. Now you can see here in the background, it's ongoing drilling using this hydraulic soil nail anchor drilling rig. Now in action drilling in our soil. So these are the process or procedure of our drilling in preparation for our soil nailing. So we do this soil nailing to protect the soil and to stabilize the soil to avoid soil erosion while we are going deeper dito sa ating basement area because this project is a 3-level basement, so we need to protect the soil from any soil erosion. So that's why we need to have a soil nailing dito sa ating project. So right now it's on process, it's on progress, the drilling of this soil para makapaglagay tayo ng rebars and also malagyan natin siya ng rebars and mabuhusan natin siya using yung grout na concrete na ipapasok natin doon sa loob ng borehole na ating nag-drill. So ito yung process ng ating soil nailing preparation. So nauna muna yung drilling para meron tayong borehole na paglalagyan natin ng rebars doon sa loob ng ating soil. So now these are the process of drilling using this drilling machine, using this hydraulic soil nail anchor drilling rig. So nakapaglagay na tayo ng unang rod. Now we will insert again another one para maibaon natin doon sa lupa. So we need to attain a depth of 12 meters. So each rod ay may height na 3 meters. So magbabaon tayo ng 4 nito dito sa soil na dinidrill natin. So yan ang process ng ating drilling in preparation para sa ating soil nailing.
Now we are connecting another spiral rod.
So pinifix natin to. So we need to make sure na nakapix siya para tuloy-tuloy yung drilling natin. So the drilling already started. So ito na yung pangalawang rods na i-drill natin dito sa surface ng soil. So this is the closer drilling of the soil.
Now nakapag-drill na tayo ng pangalawang spiral rod dito sa soil. Now we are preparing for another one. Ito na yung pangatlong spiral rod na i-drill natin dito sa soil. So we're now preparing this spiral rod para i-drill dito sa ating soil.
So ito na yung pangatlo. So we need to tighten the lock bago tayo mag-proceed dun sa susunod na drilling natin. Now since nalagay na yung pangatlo, we're now starting the drilling again. So this is the process of drilling in preparation for our soiling. Now over here in the background, these are the condition of our site project. You can see there that the wall was already shotcreted and also provided with soil nailing. So already sealed, the walls already sealed, protected from any soil erosion. The drilling is still ongoing. Ito na yung pangatlo na malapit na din na matapos na dinidrill natin. So this area, ito na drill natin, merong groundwater or watery area yung dinidrill natin. Now you can see here, this is the characteristic or the strata of the soil. Now over here, this is the surface of the soil. Alright guys, so these are all the process of our soil drilling in preparation for our soil nailing. So nakita nyo dito sa mga videos na pinakita ko yung actual dito sa ating site project, yung process ng ating pag-prepare para dito sa ating soil, to protect the soil and to stabilize the soil as we go deeper dito sa ating excavation, dito sa ating basement area. So we need to protect the soil using this methodology, soil nailing, to protect our soil and to stabilize our soil and para siya maging matibay and ma-avoid natin yung any soil erosion, lalong-lalo na kapag ang lupa ay malambot, kinakailangan natin itong ma-stabilize at gawing matibay para hindi ma-disturb yung soil natin as we go in our continuous excavation for the project. Alright guys, so till then, I'm Architect Jojo, joyfully sharing with you what Archi knows. Thank you very much and God bless you all.